There's an entire menu for your starred items. So when I click on mine, I have a few things that I have starred. So how do we do that? In Google Drive, and I'm just going to go back to my drive to show you, if I want to star my old files, I can right click and add to starred. And now when I go to starred, I will find my old files right there. Likewise, I can right click and remove from starred if I didn't want to do that. Now let's say I'm working in my title page for YouTube and I decide I want to star this. Look, it's right there. I click it, it turns yellow, and that's the visual cue that I have starred this Google Slides presentation. Same thing for Google Docs, Google Sheets, all of them have that star. You can click it and that makes the document show up in your starred. So let's refresh and we will see them listed underneath. There is our title page. So I have maybe too many things that are starred and I need to go back through this and make sure that I unstar what's not necessary anymore. I used it more when we didn't have the suggested documents up here because those are the things that I have been working on. But starred is a great way to star those items that I want to make sure I go back to, like specific presentations, or I have a Bitmoji folder of stickers from that time when it was blocked. So yeah, any stuff you have, you can star so you can find it easier.